Today we're gonna do a full face of Rare Beauty. I'm going to preface this video by saying that I work for Sephora. Hi. And I did get a lot of the stuff that I'm going to use today from Rare Beauty, from Sephora, and from Rare Beauty, like in gratis from the brand. But all opinions are my own. If something sucks, I'm gonna tell you about it. Turn my light up a little more. So yeah, that's that. I do work for Sephora. A lot of this stuff I got for free. That's it, let's start. First, the primer. The primer I did get in gratis. I have the Pore Diffusing one. I had the original, like the illuminating one. I didn't like that one. I don't like to be illuminating like that, like glowy like that. I'd rather add glow like on top where I want it than kind of put it everywhere. I'm also oily and I have pores. So I need something a little more blurring. I do like this primer. Okay, for foundation, I wear, her colors are not very good. I don't think the colors in this line are good. A lot of them are really peachy or really yellow. So I have the color 210, which is supposed to be neutral, and I feel like it's very peachy. Like it's not the right color, but it's like the best match that I have in this brand. So I have also kind of figured out that less is more with this. Like, look, that is not, look how orange that is. I figured out that like less is more with this foundation. You can always build it up, but it's a lot harder to like blend it out and make it look like really like seamless if you put too much on like right from the get-go. So I have that on. It's like medium coverage. Like you can see I still have like this spot here, but like overall I'm pretty covered. I just don't like how this sits on the skin. It looks really textured. Like I feel like I'm seeing texture that I don't actually have. Like, and it's not dry. It's not like a dry looking foundation that would make it look textured. It just doesn't sit on the skin very well. So yeah, not my favorite foundation in the entire world. The concealer I have in 250W. This is definitely not the right color for me either, but it's what I have, so I'm gonna use it. I also don't particularly like this concealer, so I didn't bother like getting a shade that would match better. The brand did give me, or Sephora gave me, somebody gave it to me. So like this is one of the W shades, and it's just so, you can see, especially in comparison to how kind of like peachy the foundation is, the W shades are so yellow. So like kind of good for like color correcting, but if you don't have a lot to color correct and you're just using it as like regular concealer, it just seems really yellow to me. The texture of this concealer I like more. It's the colors that I again have more so the issue with. The colors are not very good. Next is the powder. The powder is new. I got the shade light medium. I do like this like turny thing that covers the holes. So if you were traveling, you could like really close it. Get the sticker off. So I do like that. Again, I got the light medium shade. I bought this myself. The brand did, nobody gave this to me. Okay, the only thing about there being so little holes is that I'm kind of having a hard time getting the product out. There we go. So when I've swatched these colors on my hands, oh no. It's changing the foundation. Do you see that? It made it darker. Okay. Anyways, when I was swatching the foundation, no, the powders on my hands, I kind of noticed this like shimmer. Like it wasn't like glitter, but it was like something shiny in there. Just like keep that in mind if you're like, no, I need all matte all the time. This does have some kind of like shine or something in it. It doesn't seem to be translating onto the skin. Like I don't see like glitter or anything. I look cakey. whoa, this does not look good. Okay, so right like in between my eyebrows, it just doesn't look right. It looks really like cakey or textured. It just doesn't look good. And I don't like have texture there. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of like my whole forehead looks weird. Everything else looks okay. My chin kind of looks the same way. Like kind of really textured. Maybe when we let it sit and then spray setting spray later, it'll look better. Like kind of let it warm up on the skin a little bit. Not my favorite base look right now though. Okay, for brows, I got the pencil. So it's pencil on one side, gel on the other side. Again, I bought this myself. This one I did buy. I bought the pencil rather than the powder because I don't really like powder brows. Like just not for me. And I got this in warm brown. So let's do the pencil first. It's kind of like a teardrop. Not necessarily like an oval. It's more of a teardrop. Okay, so that's just the pencil on. I want to show you, can you see? It's like all over the side. It's a really soft pencil, so it got like, is that a brow hair in there? Gross, sorry. But like it's all over the side of the pencil because it's so soft. The pencil's really soft and really waxy, and I don't like that in a brow pencil because I feel like it just like cakes up your brows. Does that make sense? Like it just kind of like smushes your brow hairs down against the skin because it's so soft and like waxy. And then the gel side just has the teeniest, tiniest brush. And I feel like gel is gel, I don't know. I didn't get the eye primer from them because if you've been here for like any length of time, you know that NARS Pro Prime is the only eyeshadow primer that works for me. I don't stray, I don't try anything else, I don't bother, I just use what I know works for me, so that way I can give any eyeshadows I use a fair chance. I did not get the eyeshadow palette, I didn't get the holiday one, I didn't get any of that. They didn't interest me. They weren't exciting. So I got one of the liquid eyeshadows to try. I did buy this myself and I got the Nearly Mauve shade. So how should I do this? I'm gonna just swipe some on, I guess. And I guess I'll blend it with a brush. Sure. Okay. I got a little carried away on this side, so I'm gonna clean that up with concealer. Okay. So that's that. I'm not putting it on the bottom. She only has a liquid liner. I don't use liquid liner. So I don't want to put this on the bottom also and then make my eyes look like bruised. So that's that. This was easy to use though. Dried a little quicker than I expected it to, so don't like fluff around after you put this on. Like you gotta put it on and then just start blending. But I like how this turned out. I do like the color. I wouldn't say it's mauve. It's rosy. Like a rosewood kind of brown. It's definitely not mauve, but I do like the color. I am putting just a little bit of black liner up here. Always line your tight line, everybody. Makes your lashes look better. I'm going to curl my lashes and then put the mascara on. What is the mascara called? Oh, I'm not sure. The mascara. The brand did give this to me. I've tried it once. The first time I tried it, the only time I tried it, I didn't really like it, but sometimes mascara is like freshly opened or not good. So now that it's been open for a bit, maybe I'll like it more. So let me curl my lashes. Okay, let me throw this on. This is not waterproof. I think it might be water resistant, but it's not waterproof. So if you are like me and you curl your lashes, this is not gonna hold the curl for you. I just curled them just so you can kind of see it better when I first put it on. Okay, yeah, see, this is much better than the first time I used it. So definitely giving me length. That is some sky high, like it's almost touching my eyebrows. It is so long. I wouldn't say it's giving me like thickness, like it's not giving me volume, but it looks really nice and long. The first time I used it, it wasn't giving me anything really. It was giving me like spider lashes, so this is definitely an improvement. Okay, I put another coat on. They're falling down. But I put another coat on, and that's where things started to get a little clumpy. So this is more of a put it on and be done with it mascara, I think, and not so much like a layering one, because it started smushing my lashes together when I tried to put another coat on. So one and done with this one. Next, I have, what is this called? The bronzer stick. I thought it was called something else. Okay. I have the color Happy Soul, which is the color that's sold out like everywhere. The brand did give this to me. Sorry. And if I forget to mention whether or not I bought it myself or if the brand gave it to me, everything's listed in the description box, and then anything that has an asterisk was given to me in gratis. So I have not tried this yet. I swatched these. They're pretty yellow, which isn't my favorite. And then the deeper shades are pretty red. Uh-oh, did I wait too long to blend? Ooh. Okay, there, it's blended. I think my brush is just too fluffy, so I needed something a little denser. I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing and pinch it. I'm gonna put more on because I feel like it just kind of blended away. Okay. It might just be that this foundation isn't really the best color, so I'm having a harder time like kind of seeing it. But what I am seeing, it's kind of like sticking, you can see, like to these hairs that I have here. Like these baby hairs. Okay, and then it just looks, see, on the camera I can see it a little more, like here. In real life I can kind of see it. It just looks like dirty and like patchy. And maybe it's because I powdered my face already, but I've never had a problem with doing a cream on top of a powder before. I'm not really getting anything from this. Let me do the other side. There goes Simba crying. Okay. What is the matter with you? Yeah, it just doesn't, I'm like blending it away, but somehow making myself look dirty. So I'll keep trying this with like other foundations and powdered and not powdered, whatever, but this isn't looking too good. I look kind of crazy right now. For blush, I do have some of the liquid blushes. I have Grace and Love, so like the pink and the more like brick red color. But I'm gonna use the cream blush instead. This one's Nearly Mauve. This one was given to me. Plop some of this on. I do like this. It's really easy to blend. It's super pigmented, so you don't need a lot of it. I'm just kind of slapping it on my cheek here. For highlight, I did buy this myself. I got the shade Mesmerize. I don't like the colors of her highlight, so I got like the rose gold kind of one. There's like that really white one. There's that yellowy gold one. Like, I don't know. I just feel like there's not enough shades, like more, I don't want to say skin tone, but like more like neutral shades for people in that like light medium section. Like there's that really bright one for if you're fair, there's this, but if you don't really want pink, this is kind of your only option. And then there's the one that's like the yellow gold. So I just have a problem with colors. Something's wrong with her colors. Ooh, that was one big dollop, so I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm just gonna use my finger. And like, it's beautiful. It's so pretty. It's just not quite the right tone, like the right color for what I want. I'm also gonna do a teeny bit down my nose and my favorite place, the Cupid's bow. Whoa, way too much. That doe foot puts out so much product. Just put this on top of my eyebrows now. Okay, for lips, I have one of the glosses. I think it's the Nearly Mauve one. I like it. It's fine. It's gloss. I don't have any of the liquid lipsticks because I just genuinely dropped the box. I don't care about the colors. None of those colors excite me. So instead, for this video, I bought one of the Dewy lip balms, and I got this in the shade Empathy. So like the mauve that goes with this look. She's thick. It's not a bad thing. I just wasn't expecting it. I like that. I really like that. I like that it's lip balm, but it has the color of like lipstick, so you can still really complete a look, but have something really moisturizing on. So this does feel good because my lips are very dry. And now I'm just gonna spray my face with the setting spray. This I also bought myself. So here is the finished look with all of the Rare Beauty products. Do I look good? Sure. Is this a presentable look? Absolutely. Is this my most favorite stuff that I've ever used? No. No, it's not. No. I think the hits are hits, and I think the misses are misses. So let's go through real quick. Primer, yes. This is a yes. Get the primer. Foundation, no. Now that it's been like on and I've like sprayed it and stuff, it looks better, but I have other foundations that look better than this. So it's not my favorite. And the colors, the colors are a real struggle, especially for me. Concealer, if you can find a color that works for you, the concealer is a yes. But again, the colors. Powder, I'll have to play with the powder a little bit more. I didn't like how it looked on the foundation, but it could just be because of the way this foundation already looks on my skin. I didn't like the powder, so I'll definitely try the powder with other foundations. Brows, will I use it? Sure, because I have it. Is it my favorite brow pencil? No. I don't like how waxy it is. Brows do look good though. Liquid eyeshadow, I'll definitely keep using this. This was easy, it looks nice. Mascara, yes, but one and done. And open it. Open it, leave it alone. And then go to use it. One and done. So I did like that. It's just, now I know, just throw it on, be done with it. This contour bronzer stick situation, I feel like now that I have blush on, it looks better. But I'm gonna definitely, look at how much I don't match my neck. That's the foundation for you. I'm definitely gonna play with the bronzer stick more with like other foundations and stuff, because it could be just on top of this particular foundation and this powder, whatever combination of things. I just didn't like it, so I'll definitely play with the bronzer stick more. The blush, I love these little blushes. I love these little blushes. I like the highlight, like I like how it looks. I think it's stunning. I just wish there were different colors. There's a running theme here. This lip, love. Feels good. Looks good, love. And then the spray, a spray's a spray to me. There's no like glitter or shimmer or anything in it. Looks good, my skin looks nice and hydrated. I'd say if you're interested in the spray, go ahead. So all in all, if we were to rate the whole brand, is it worth it? Meh, meh. They're more affordable. They're a more affordable brand at Sephora, considering their prices compared to like Hourglass or NARS, anything like that. Too Faced even. They're a better price, but also for the quality that you're getting, it's all over my teeth. For the quality that you're getting, I think you can still save money and buy drugstore stuff or even Sephora collection stuff and get a better quality for a lower price. Like I said, the stuff that's good is good. The primer, the blush, this lip, that stuff's really good. And I definitely would say spend your money on that. But like the foundation, that contour bronzer stick, there's other stuff that I'm more excited about. Sorry, I am sorry Rare, and I am sorry Selena Gomez. I'm gonna get fired now. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know any other full face brands of anything else you want to see a full face of. That's English. Leave some brands down below and I will definitely check that out for you. But yeah, this was a ride. Thanks for watching. Bye.